How to download and fill out the nomination template on PNG Online SIBs. Welcome to the second part of this training. If you missed the first part about how to register and log into the PNG Online Student Information Booklet SIBs, check out the link in the description below. Today, we will look at how to download the nomination template, fill it out, and upload it to the online SIBs portal. Before we go on, please help us grow this channel. Hit the like and subscribe buttons so that you don't miss out on future training videos. Let's begin. Step 1. Log into the SIBs online portal. Launch your internet browser and enter the SIBs URL, https://sibs.mipnews.com. Enter your credentials. Get the OTP through your email, paste it into the field, and click Login. Watch the first video for details on how to log in. Step 2. By default, you will land in the grade 10 settings with green tab coloring. You can always switch to grade 12 with the maroon colored settings to work on it. There are several features available in the interface, as you can see here, but we are interested in the template download and upload commands. Go to the Open Templates command. By default, only the nomination template command is active, not the internal marks and exam marks templates. In order to activate the other templates, you must upload the base data, which is the nomination data. Now click on the Download Template button. Step 3. A pop-up dialog box will appear. This is where you indicate the total enrollment figure. By default, it will be 50. Change this figure by highlighting it and typing a new figure over it. Let's say 100, for instance. Our enrollment is 100, so 100 spaces will be created on the template when we download it. Click Download to begin. Step 4. Open the downloaded file in the browser, or you can access it through the Downloads folder on your computer. Open the Excel file and make sure to enable macros by clicking on the Enable command. Step 5. Explore the settings of the Excel template. All settings are mandatory, and you must fill them out. The template has the nomination year already populated for you. The candidate number is also already populated for you, along with fields for last name, given names, gender male or female, age, status code, school leavers number, date of birth, and subject listings by their codes. Now enter the last name, given names, gender, and do not enter the age section, as this will be automatically populated when the date of birth is entered. Enter the status code, school leavers number, and date of birth. Step 6. After the compulsory data is entered, it is now time to enter the subject nominations. If your school is offering the subject and all the students are studying it, enter 1 for all students. For example, for English, we will enter 1 for all students because they are all studying English. Do the same for the subjects your school is offering. For the subjects not offered by your school, enter 0 for all students. For example, if your school is not offering arts, enter 0 for all students. Step 7. Error Handling Area. If you see error notices in the error handling area indicated in red, you won't be able to upload the template. You must rectify the errors first. Make sure to save the template. Step 8. If you have filled out all the required information on the template, it is now time to upload it to the online SIBs portal. Click on the Browse command. A dialog box will appear so you can point to the nomination template. Browse and locate the template, then click on the Upload button. This is very important. When you upload it, the status will be updated to indicate that the file has been uploaded. Confirmation Excel and PDF files will also be available. That's it. The foundation data has now been uploaded. This will activate the internal marks, science practical, and exam templates for download, population, and upload. Step 9. Click on the Submit and Lock command if you are fully satisfied with your data and no corrections are needed. If you do that, you won't be able to edit it afterwards. Step 10. Doing corrections on the nomination form online. If you make a mistake or a student enrolls late, click on the Manage Record button. This will take you to the nomination listing where you can make changes. Click on the Edit button for a student. Let's say candidate 1001's surname is supposed to be Allen with a double L. We can change it using the Edit button and then click Save. You can also edit other settings such as the candidate number, date of birth, and so on. Step 11. Adding a new student profile. Click on the Add Student button. Fill out the details. In our case, we have 100 students, so now it will increase to 101. Award the candidate number accordingly and click Save. The student will be added at the bottom of the listing. If you have locked your data or are unable to edit it, you must contact Measurement Services, Education Department to reset your data. In our next video, we will look at downloading the internal marks templates, populating them, and uploading them to the SIBs portal. Thank you for watching. Please support this channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons.